We got a tip from members of public. There's a Chinese who are operating unknown business in this area. So I mobilized my officers. We have come, we did search, and we found all these roto machines in this house behind us. And they are being operated by Chinese. So we cannot tell exactly the number, but we are very soon we are counting them. We shall give you the exact number of these machines. Yeah, according to the information, they rented this house this month, December month, from Nairobi. So, but we don't know who is the owner of this house, but this currently is occupied by the Chinese, 5 Chinese, whom we found inside. No, I can't say there's an accident because we are still doing our investigation to see whether they came in this country legally. So we cannot accuse anybody until we finish our investigation.